And we'll go. It's attorney Ruben Flores with Daniel Moreno.
Okay. Got it.
Hi, good morning, Ruben.
Good morning, Ruben. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you guys?
Okay, I guess. I hope. Today's world, no one knows. What do you need to confer? What do you need to do in your case?
Judge, I conferred last time. The judge had reset this case so that I could confer with my client and see if we're going to take the deal. My client is inclined to take the deal, Judge. My problem is I am in person over here in Atascosa, and I was going to ask the judge for a date to plea later.
Can you plea Wednesday?
Wednesday, I'm looking at my calendar right now, Judge. Yeah, I have some stuff here, but it's all Bexar County, so I'll be good.
Okay, why don't you get together with Ms. Garza and Mr. Escobar and make sure Ms. Willis or somebody has the email of your client so we can get all that paperwork to them and get it done. So when you get on Wednesday, we can get you off and we can get on your business.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Whenever I send the note later on today, just reply to my email with your client's email so I can get the paperwork started and have it ready for Wednesday.
Okay. So
Okay.
I wait for an email from you then, okay?
Yes, around noon I'll be sending it.
Okay, I'll get you all that the information.
Yeah,
Thank
take
you.
care, Ruben. Be careful.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
You know, all these surrounding counties, they do everything live.
Yeah, I know they're crazy, Judge.
Oh, I've been there. I think it's better. It goes faster. I've been in Atascosa County and Kendall County. They're, walk in there.
They don't even work. They're not requiring masks half the time.
Now, I picked a jury in Bernie and the whole jury panel there. I think 2 people had a mask on. And they're all sitting next to each other, and it hadn't changed. They never stopped.
Yeah. No. I do a lot of work here in Atascosa, and they've been going since last June.
Mm-hmm. I was there the end of the year sometime. Can't remember.
Yeah.
December, November, December. I was in there.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. Good seeing you, Judge.
Take care, Ruben.
All right.
Have you all heard? Are we going to open up in March? And
I believe the 14th or 15th, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. They're going to wait till then. Oh, brother, they could open up first. Then it's not. They're never going to move these dockets, especially the family violence ones, until you can threaten them with a jury trial. It's just not going to happen. And you guys, all you prosecutors and defense attorneys, are going to have to be working your rear ends off because it's going to be one trial after the other trial. I mean, you're just going to be in trial constantly for the next 2 years. I mean, you get in the felony courts where people are charged with aggravated assaults or assault on their children and stuff like that. No one's going to plead to those. I mean, no one. So you're just going to have piled up. They're going to be working courts every day. Oh well.
So far, we don't have any attorneys, but I have defendants that they don't match the names that I have in my docket. I'm gonna be letting them in and ask them
Okay, find
their
out
names.
where
Mhm.
they're here. Okay.
Hi, I have someone here by the name of Megan Enriquez.
Yes, hi, good morning. I'm here for John Koontz on James Bryan. I just need to speak to a prosecutor, please.
Okay, one moment.
Thank you.
That's gonna be with Daniel.
Okay, great, thank you.
Hi, Megan.
Hi, okay, I've conferred with Mr. Escobar and we are waiting on videos, some discovery, specifically some videos from the Kirby Police Department that the prosecutor has requested.
Let's just wait for the judge so he can take the announcement. He stepped out really quick.
Okay, sure.
Hi, I have someone here by the name of Arturo's note. I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you
Hi,
hear me?
yes, I don't see you in my docket. What is your name?
Corinne, I think he's the father of one of the complaining witnesses in another case. It should be case number 664399. Hello, Mr. Aguilar. How are you doing?
Okay,
I'm doing good. How are you, sir?
Doing all right. So he's Arturo Aguilar. He's the father of a complaining witness.
okay. Give me one.
Sure. And Mr. Aguilar, if you could do me a favor, if you could just turn off your video. It's okay if you're here to watch the proceedings, but just as long as you kind of stay on mute, you're more than welcome to watch. Okay? Thank you, sir.
Megan,
Yes, ma'am.
your client is here. Do you also need to speak with him?
No, after I make my announcement, I can just give him a call.
Okay.
Thank you.
Judge, we have someone trying to make an announcement. Is Attorney Megan Enriquez.
Good morning, Ms. Enriquez. What's up? What do you have?
Hi, Judge. Good morning. I'm here for John Kuntz on our
Okay.
client James Bryan.
Okay,
I've conferred with Mr. Escobar and Mr. Escobar is waiting for some videos for some discovery from the Kirby PD that he has requested and not yet received from them.
how come you haven't subpoenaed it, Mr. Bryan?
Oh, Mr. Escobar, Brian's the client.
So, Your Honor, we have requested it. They have provided body cam, but we asked for further clarification on their dash camera video. Our investigator has reached out, but as far as I can tell, we haven't heard a response yet.
Well, why don't you check with your investigator and tell him to get on it right now and report back tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
And you too, Miss Enriquez, and hopefully you have it. Tell them to get on it. Let's go. Or if not, subpoena them and drag them then. Make them come in. Subpoena
Yes, Your
them,
Honor.
take them. Tell them, you've got work to do too. All right, everybody back tomorrow.
Okay, sounds great, Judge. Have a great Valentine's Day.
You too, be careful.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Bryan, it looks like he's still connecting to audio.
Yes,
I'll give you a call, Mr. Bryan.
I'll remove him from the meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Garza? What is
Yes,
this
Judge.
stipulation of facts in judicial profession on Ana Lopez? What is that?
So that's set for a plea today. I believe that's going to be an obstruction.
Okay, it's a plea today sometime?
Yes, and so
Okay.
I went ahead and submitted both the discovery and the obstruction paper.
Okay, because it's not on the docket, that's why I was wondering. Okay,
I think this was a reset.
It was an add-on last week.
okay, all right. That's fine. I just wondering what we had there.
I get an email from few attorneys that they're in felony courts, that they're running a little behind.
Okay, not unusual. I'll be right back.
Hi, Erica. Good morning.
Good morning, Corinne. How are you?
Doing well. How are you
Sorry, I was
today?
eating my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm
Today
good.
we
Happy
have Judge-
Valentine's, everyone.
Oh, yes. Happy Valentine's. I keep forgetting.
Okay, so I have Deputy Payne. Did anybody go into the courtroom by the name of Aaron Nicholas?
No.
Shoot. Okay. So it's an MTR set for sentencing today in person with Aaron Nicholas. I've been trying to call him, but his number's disconnected. I did speak to him last week. He knows about the court date. He was doing what he needed to do, so I'm not sure if there's something that's happened.
Okay. Do you need to talk to the state in the meantime? We have Judge Angelini today. So
Okay,
he'll be taking
yes.
those announcements.
I do need to talk to the state. Let me talk to Daniel. I have a even number. I'm sorry, an odd number case,
Yes.
663-291. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, Justin. Your attorney should be joining us shortly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Marshall, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
So far, so good. Yes. Yeah, I have Mr. Enoch.
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
Do you need to talk to the state or to your client?
Can I talk to Mr. Enoch?
Yes, one more.
And before I go, break out, could you advise me how many days in jail he has, please?
1 moment. 10 days.
Thank you.
1 moment. Judge, we have an attorney conferring with Daniel, the prosecutor, and another attorney talking to his client.
Okay, who are the attorneys?
One of them is Attorney Marshall White with
Okay.
Justin Enoch. It's the first one.
Okay,
And then there's the bottom, we have Attorney Erica Dominguez with
Okay.
Daniel.
okay.
And right now I'm emailing
Erica
attorneys to join.
Erica has the MTR, right?
Yes.
Okay,
And right now I'm just emailing attorneys so they can appear.
okay.
Hi, Marshall, you're back.
Good morning, Judge. Yes, I'm back.
Good morning, Marshall. How are you?
Okay. Can I speak with the prosecutor, please?
Yes, that's gonna be with Daniel. I'm gonna put you in his breakout room.
Thank you.
We have another attorney joining in, Catherine Valenzuela. Hi, Catherine, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. What are we doing, Catherine? Good morning.
Good morning. This case had been reset to provide me with the opportunity to send the DA, Kathleen, some videos. And I had some technical difficulties, but I'd like to confer with her about it.
Okay.
1 moment.
Hello, Corinne. May I please go and speak to the CLO?
Let me call her right now. She left to join
Oh.
8, but let me text her so she can join back.
Okay.
1 moment. We have another attorney joining in, Sean Sheffield.
Mr. Sheffield, good morning.
Hi, Sean, good morning.
Good morning. My client should be on also.
Yes, Ellis Devon.
Right,
And
I have two of them, sorry.
Yes, actually, Jonathan Casanova just left the waiting room,
Okay,
but Ellis is here.
okay. I need to speak to somebody regarding the Ellis case. I do have an offer on the other one.
Perfect. This is gonna be for Daniel. Let me put you in his breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
What's going on, Mr. White?
Yes, checking back. We have an agreement with the state for a JSAT plea. Daniel informs me that the coordinator generates that paperwork, sends it to me.
Yes, yes. Give me 5 minutes and I'll be sending it to you.
Thank you so much.
And your client and then judge.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, Jonathan. Your attorney is talking with one of the A's. He should be back shortly. Erica, Elsa is back. I'm gonna put you in her breakout room.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elsa. Marshall, the paperwork should be in your inbox. Hi, Sean.
Hey, I'm back.
You're back. And Jonathan is back here again.
Okay. Is Devin Ellis around by chance? I need speaking up,
is.
I guess, if I could.
Let me put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Devin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I got that paperwork. If I could be put back in that breakout room with Mr. Enoch.
Of course.
And just make sure that share screen function is turned on so I could
Yes.
go over the paperwork. Oh, thank you.
And Mr. Marshall, or Mr. White, I am going to be rush filing this case. It looks like they sent it into the central filing, but I don't see a note that central filing accepted it, so I'm sending another information complaint. So I'm gonna have my paralegal rush file it.
Okay.
But just wanted to give you a heads up that the case currently wasn't filed, but it looks like they at least sent it. So.
Okay, so are we okay to do the paperwork or do we need to?
I think it's okay to do the paperwork. I'll tell my paralegal to pretty much run downstairs and make sure they get a copy of the information complaint so we can move forward.
And he's gonna have to waive some kind of notice because he hadn't been served with the copy of the complaint against him. And Mr. White's gonna have to waive some kind of, time to prepare. You're gonna have to generate some paperwork on that because you haven't even charged him with a crime yet. He's in jail. Ridiculous, but anyway.
Okay, well, we'll proceed with the paperwork.
Okay, whatever.
Thanks.
Sean, you're back.
Yes. I just, I guess if I could approach the judge regarding Devin Ellis.
Yes, sir. What's up?
Hey, Judge. Mr. Ellis, he has a UCW in this court, Judge, but he also has a felony, aggravated assault with deadly weapon that's part of this incident, same issues, and they're still in the process of filing it.
Well, what court is it in?
They don't even have a court yet, Judge, is what I was told.
They have to have a court.
They said they haven't been assigned out yet. It hasn't, I guess, officially been filed. So that's where we stand.
No, it still would go to a court when it is.
That's what I thought too, Judge, but I was told
No, Mr. Escobar, somebody can find out.
Okay.
Find out. They can find
Yeah,
out.
I would love to know too, Judge.
And then maybe you can call them and that you can start the process of either working one out or both of them out. Or
Right.
one in exchange for the other, or that kind of.
Exactly, Judge. So yeah, whatever's easiest on this, to get it done.
I just want you to find out what Miss Garza or Mr. Escobar can find out. I know they can.
And Your Honor, I'm looking at the page. It doesn't say that it's been assigned out to a court yet. It doesn't, because usually we'll say send to court and then whichever district court.
Or
it
is
goes
it an
to.
intake or where is it?
It looks like it's an at-large intake case.
Okay, well, somebody in intake's got it. They could talk to them. Who in intake is handling it?
It doesn't even show that a prosecutor's been assigned, but I could reach out to whoever's in intake and have them assign the case out.
Yeah, find out right now so he can start talking to somebody.
Hi, Jeffrey. Good morning.
Good morning. I had Ana Lopez. Do you have all the paperwork? I'm going to have her join the Zoom so we can do the plea.
Let me see.
She was an add-on for tomorrow.
Was that the one I had earlier?
Yes, that one,
Yes,
Judge.
she's a very young. Sorry, Your Honor, I'm in the 288th. We're in a CPS merits trial, and I got a break, so I apologize for tardiness.
Yes, all the paperwork is complete. Judge, I'm about to reroute this paperwork to you.
Okay.
It should be with you, Judge, now. Erica, you're back.
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying. I'm ready for announcements.
Okay. Judge, are you ready for announcements?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay, so I have Pedro Hernandez Garcia, Your Honor. He has 2 cases, both ABIs, not family violence related. I conferred with the state on Friday. He was reaching out to the complaining witness, which he did confirm today. He did reach out. So we have an offer. I do need to relay that to my client in order to see if he wants to take that on. I'm sorry?
Is he on?
He's not on. Do you want him to log in?
Yeah, log in so you can talk to him and see if he wants to take it.
Okay,
Figure out what to do.
I will ask him to log in.
Okay, you ready on the MTR?
Your Honor, on the MTR, I received a message from his mother that he's currently an inpatient. I called the facility myself and I spoke to the director. I was just on the phone with him. He did confirm that he's currently there. He's in detox, expected to discharge on the 21st, which is in 7 days. And then he's going to be transferred to inpatient for 45 days.
Okay, where is he?
He is currently at Briarwood Detox and then getting transferred to Nova Recovery Center. And this is in Austin.
Okay, have you said you confirmed that he's there?
Yes, I talked to the director myself. I just got off the phone with him.
Okay, we'll reset. He's gonna be detoxed for 7 days?
He's in detox for 7 days and then he's
All
getting
right, let's
transferred.
reset. Okay, we're gonna reset it for 7 days. That's it.
Okay,
I want him on, physically on in 7 days, as soon as he gets on detox.
okay. And before he gets
goes
transferred,
into any 45 days, anything, he's gotta be on.
okay, I will call them and see if we can coordinate some type of video call. I know that his phone calls are very limited per the mother.
They
But I
probably
will-
are in detox, especially in detox. They're not gonna let him. But if he's really in detox, that's fine. Let's reset it for 7 days. Soon as he gets out, tell him you need to have him on. Have him on.
So you want to set it for the 22nd, Your Honor? The day
Yes.
after he's supposed to be out of detox?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then I'll see if I can make arrangements for them. Ooh, I'll be at the trial college that day, but I can figure it out.
Okay, what about Renault's?
So on Adeline Reynos, it's 663-291. We received the discovery on this case, but it's not linked to the right client. So the DA's office is re-reviewing that and they are gonna request body worn. I don't think Coban exists, but none of the videos were related to my case.
All right, we'll reset it for a week too. That way, hopefully we'll both be done at the same time.
To 310, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am. Just 7 days.
The 22nd as well?
Yes.
I won't be available the 22nd. I'll be at trial college.
Okay.
We can do the
And-
18th, which is that Friday before.
We're not gonna have a docket those days. The 23rd works?
That whole week I'm out, the 21st through the 25th.
Yeah,
You can
but
do
we
the
need to do
29th.
something about the MTR guy before he goes into any kind of thing, or we're gonna drag him out of.
Well, I can make sure that another attorney handles that setting, Your Honor, since it's very important that he makes contact with the court since this is an MTR sentencing. But in regards to regular dockets, I would just prefer to not have them that week since I will be in
Okay,
trial.
we can do it the week after. That's fine. But
Okay,
not the MTR. The MTR we're gonna have next week.
The 29th, please, Corinne.
For Reynolds?
Yes.
And get on with your client right now and talk to him. Maybe we can get rid of that right now.
I will. Thank
Which
you.
date for Reynolds again?
324. I'm sorry, 329.
March 29th.
Yes.
Okay.
I will be on standby.
All right. Are we ready on Anna Lopez?
She's trying to connect to audio,
She's-
Your Honor, I
yes.
could say it. I think I'm
Let
asking her just to
me-
log out, log in.
Let me remove her so she can log back in.
Ms. Nino, are you there? Nina?
Yes, Judge, I'm here, ready to go.
All right.
Catherine, you're back.
Yes. I can announce I've conferred. We have an offer. If we were still, still need to get the video to the DA. The offer could change upon them reviewing the video.
Okay, when are you gonna get the video?
I
Today?
believe today, Your Honor.
All right, let's do this Wednesday.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, well. Get it today. Find out if you're gonna plead or not.
All right, and may I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Anna Lopez on yet? Lopez?
Not yet.
Okay.
Hi, Tim.
Hi, Corinne. Good morning.
Good morning. Your client is joining in as well.
Wonderful. I think I need a discovery acknowledgement. I'm not sure that I got one, Daniel. Or I can't find it if I signed it.
Get a new one. That's fine.
Your Honor, on Ana Lopez, this is a true DWI first. We'll be waiving count 1, proceeding on count 2.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you at all. Sorry.
This is for Ana Lopez. This
Uh-huh.
is a true DWI first. We're waiving count 1, going to proceed on count 2 obstruction.
Okay.
And it will be
Have you,
for deferred.
you filed the obstruction?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Just announce that when we get started.
And then she's here now, Your Honor.
Anna Lopez? Oh, there you are. Unmute yourself, ma'am, please. Okay. This is 67228, State versus Ana Lopez. Are you Ana Lopez? Ma'am? Okay. Say Ms. Lopez is charged with the offense of DWI. Is that you? I can't hear you, ma'am. Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez. Ms. Lopez. She looks like she's frozen.
Oh, yes.
Can I ask her to turn her video off, Your Honor? Sometimes
No.
that the bandwidth
No.
where she's at.
No.
Okay.
Ms. Lopez, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can
Okay.
you hear me?
Are you the same Ms. Lopez who's charged with DWI? Is that you?
Yes.
State, do you have a motion?
We do, Your Honor. The state will waive count 1 and
No, you
proceed.
need to amend the information first.
The information was actually filed as a count 1 and a count 2, the original information.
Okay, it was? All right, so
Yes.
you're waiving count 1?
Correct, Your Honor. And we're proceeding on count 2,
Okay.
obstruction.
Okay, Mr. Martinez, I'm sure you have no objections to that.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Martinez, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our
Yes, Your Honor.
rules? State,
Yes,
have you
Your Honor.
complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
We have, Your Honor.
Ms. Lopez, I have some papers here from your attorney and the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, I think so.
Well, you either did or you didn't. I don't know if you did.
I did.
Did you sign these papers?
Yes.
Did you understand, ma'am, when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead to this offense. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have a right to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No.
How do you plead to this offense?
Filed no contest, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, fine. Miss Lopez, how do you plead to this offense?
No contact.
Okay, do you understand that a no contest plea?
Oh,
Excuse me, Judge. This is an obstruction which requires a guilty plea.
And that's agreeable, Your Honor. I don't know if it reflects on the paperwork, but
Okay, start again. What are you saying, Mr. Martinez? I didn't hear you.
Your Honor, if she needs to plead guilty, she can do that. I'm just not sure the paperwork reflects that will be chose.
Well, that's all right. I don't care what the paperwork reflects. She can plead any way she likes. Do you need to talk to her? Get in the room and talk to her?
Ms. Lopez, do you understand what the judge is asking? If you could change your plea to guilty?
No, not right now. Like, no.
It's okay, but yes, Your Honor, if we could have a moment.
Okay, go into the room.
Morning.
Ms. Walsh, would it be okay if, could you put me in a room with Mr. Cuellar?
Yes.
And put Mr. Martinez and Ms. Lopez in the room.
Yes, Judge. Sean, you're back?
Yes. And I believe we have an agreement on the Garcia case.
Okay.
Send your email, the email address of your client to Ms. Wills, and so we can get
Okay.
started.
I'll do that, Judge.
Are we gonna be TIC in one or plea on both?
Yes. Yeah, it's going to be a plea on one, TIC the other.
Which one are you pleading on?
It'll be plea on 666044.
Okay.
Okay. If you can just chat me your client's email so I can get the paperwork started.
Will do. Thank you.
So if something happened and they needed to leave and they couldn't finish a transcript, they could call.
Okay, we have, is it Wools? How do you say your last name? I can't hear
Sorry,
you.
yes, Wolves.
Oh, Miss Wools, we've completed the paperwork on our end.
Okay. We have paperwork ready for Justin and Enoch. Do you want to start this plea, Judge, or you want to finish the other one?
I want to finish the other one first.
Okay.
Okay. Ms. Lopez, you need to unmute yourself. Mr. Martinez, are you going to go forward with the plea or not?
Yes, Your Honor, we're good.
Okay, Ms. Lopez, how do you plead to this offense?
Guilty.
I'm sorry?
Guilty.
All right. Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
Oh, no.
All right, I'm going to find the plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
The recommendation is a $500 fine plus court costs, 14 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, DWI education, victim impact panel, TAP eval, and ignition interlock 1/2 term.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Martinez?
It is, Your Honor, that this would be on count 2, the obstruction of a highway. And the only other request we have, Your Honor, Ms. Lopez lives in Karnes County. Since this is over a year probation, we ask if she'd be able to transfer her probation to where her home residence is in Karnes County.
Of course, she can transfer. That's not a problem at all. I'm gonna go along with that, ma'am, give you a $500 fine, order that you pay court costs, put you on probation, deferred adjudication probation for a period of 14 months, or that you do 48 hours community service, DWI education course, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation done to see if you need any kind of drug or alcohol treatment, regular UAs and ignition interlock devices on all your vehicles at home for a period of 7 months. Good luck to you, ma'am. You need to stay on and talk to the probation officer so you understand what your obligations are, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. And may I be in the Zoom room with the probation officer, Ms. Lopez?
Yes, in fact, I hope you do. Yes.
Thank you.
Actually, for probation, right now we don't have a CLO. Probation should be contacting her within a week. If she doesn't hear from probation in the next week or so, she needs to go to probation to report.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Wilson. We'll make sure to do that. Ms. Lopez, you can log off now. I'll give you a call later this afternoon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
I have someone here by the name of Sophia. I'm gonna ask you to unmute. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I don't have you in my docket. What is your name?
No, I'm on a meet. I wanted to see somebody's trial. They sent me to join the meeting.
Okay, do you know who's the defendant?
It's Pedro Hernandez Garcia.
Okay, 1 moment.
Corinne, I think this is a parent of one of the complaining witnesses.
Okay, I'm just gonna stay on mute and just turn off your camera, okay?
Okay.
Sean, I already sent you the paperwork.
All right, are y'all ready on Enoch?
Corinne, could you confirm, has the information been sent to central filing? I went to go check out my paralegal.
Let me see.
I'm ready, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Enoch, are you there? Are you Justin Enoch? You need to unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is cause number 678617, State versus Justin Enoch. Are you Justin Enoch?
Yes, Your Honor, with my right hand raised.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are you the same Mr. Enoch who's charged with criminal, you put your hand down. Do you say Mr. Enoch was charged with criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. White, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
I'm sorry, Judge. It's some background noise.
I know, it's gonna be difficult because he's in jail there. Have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
Yes, Judge.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Enoch, I have some papers here from the district attorney's office that accuse you that set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, Your Honor, sir, have.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know?
Yes, Your Honor.
You know you gave up that right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you to do that?
No, Your Honor.
How do you plead?
No contest.
You no contest plea means it has the same legal effect as a guilty plea in misdemeanor court. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Still want to plead no contest?
No contest.
Okay, then I'm gonna find this plea as voluntary remain. What is your recommendation, State?
Your Honor, the state's recommendation is a $50 fine, court costs, 8 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask that this is a judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding, Mr. White?
Judge, that is.
And this will get him out, right?
That's correct, Judge, as far as I know.
Yes, Your Honor, I don't believe there's anything else holding him in the Bexar County Jail.
All right, then I'll go along with that. Or maybe. All right, sir, I'm gonna sentence you to 8 days in the Bexar County Jail, fine you $50, or if you pay court costs. Give you credit for time served, run the time and money together, and the judgment will be satisfied. Good luck to you, sir.
Good luck,
Thank you,
Mr.
Your
Enoch.
Honor. Thank
Judge,
you.
may I be excused?
Yes, sir, Ms. White.
Thank you,
Take
Mr.
care.
Appreciate it.
That's all? That's everything?
Yes, sir.
Judge, you, for Ana Lopez's plea,
Yes.
you selected ignition interlock. Is there a minimum time you want her to get it installed by?
Oh, yeah, 7 days.
7 days. Okay, thank you.
I'll be right back.
Erica, any word on your client? We're gonna take the plea today.
Most likely not a plea, but he is logging in so judge can see him.
Perfect, thank you.
Corinne, do you see him in the waiting room?
No. Hi, Tim, you're back.
I am. I have signed the discovery acknowledgement, and we would like a trial setting.
Okay.
But I've also spoken with Mr. Cuellar, and I'm going to request a mental health evaluation or a competency evaluation.
Okay.
And Mr. Cuellar understands that. He's going to cooperate with that.
Okay. Judge would be taking the announcement, so he should be back shortly.
Michael, you can be on mute until the judge calls us if you want.
Okay.
Judge, Mr. Roundtree has announcements.
Yes, sir.
I've signed the discovery acknowledgement in Mr. Cuellar's case. We are going to request it be set for jury trial. However, I'm also requesting, and we'll file in a few minutes, a request for a competency evaluation as well.
Okay, well, don't even ask for trial right now. Just go ahead and file a competency, and then that kind of resolves everything for the time being until we get it back.
And realistically, I know
He's
because of
confident, he
COVID.
can't even ask for, he can't play not guilty, he can't play guilty, he can't play anything. So,
I understand. I
okay.
understand, Judge.
So get
All
it done today. And this is on who? Where?
Cuellar, yes, sir.
Okay.
641-509.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
And
So
then
should we reset
there's
for
two
60
cases,
days?
Too, right? No, right now, just file it. File it today.
All right.
And then, we wait around.
We'll get a date.
Get
Okay.
a date. Okay.
Okay. May Mr. Cuellar and I be excused.
Yes, sir. But you need to do it today, Mr. Roundtree, please.
I've got it on my computer right now, Judge. I'll file it in just a minute.
Okay.
Thanks. Okay, Michael, you can log off.
Okay, thank you so much, Tim.
Mhm.
Bye.
Judge, this is Erica Dominguez. My client did log in, Mr. Pedro Hernandez Garcia. I did go over the plea offer with him on the phone. He does want to see one video, which is really, really short. So if I could show him that in the breakout room, but I think he still wants some time to think about the offer before making a decision today.
Well, we've got today to make the offer and be back tomorrow then.
Corinne, if you could place us in a breakout room, please.
Yes. 1 moment.
Thank you. I'm gonna see if he connects to audio.
Judge, for Ana Lopez, what was the supervisory fee amount?
Whatever the regular supervisory fees are, what are they normally?
35.
35 then.
Corinne, can you push him in that breakout room, please?
Have you heard from Jonathan Ross?
Let me see. Yes, he is in a felony court.
And who's this Christopher Bettis? What's the deal with him?
He was supposed to, we reset him because he was supposed to hire a counsel, but he hasn't.
Is he
And
on?
he has not appeared.
He has not?
He has not.
Okay. We need to get hold of him. He needs to appear. Because I either appoint him lawyer or a bond for him.
Actually, let me see, this one. Actually, this one was just transferred to County Court 9.
Christopher Bettis?
Yes,
Okay.
so, all good now.
Who's 9?
Judge Saldana.
Are we taking a plea in Jonathan Casanova Garcia this morning?
Yes, we are, and the plea should be on 666-044. I sent the paperwork. I believe it's still with the attorney.
Okay, and I did file a discovery in that one.
How about Walter Turner?
Who, Judge?
Walter Cerna on Kristan Modis?
Okay, he said that apparently he logged in around 9:40, but I never saw him on the breakout room. His client has been in the breakout room. I sent him an email. He said that he appeared, that he will join us after the other Zoom.
Okay.
And Judge, I reached out to intake. This was on Devin Ellis. They said that they're going to get an intake attorney assigned out today.
Okay. Then maybe we could, let's have him come back, Ms. Sheffield, on Wednesday. Maybe we'll have an attorney. He can talk to him the felonies.
I apologize, Judge. What was that?
Go ahead and talk to him, Mr. Escobar.
Mr. Sheffield, I've reached out to intake. They're trying to get the case assigned out today to an intake felony attorney. So that should be done by today. So we should have someone who can speak to you on this matter.
Sounds good. Thanks, Daniel. Your Honor, what would you like us to do on Mr. Ellis then?
I want you to come back on Wednesday. Hopefully they'll have somebody today, and so you can talk to somebody on Wednesday. Please.
Now, the issue, Your Honor, becomes I am not on the first degree.
Is this a first degree felony?
Yes, it's aggravated assault with deadly weapon, Your Honor.
Okay. We're gonna need to know if he's got an attorney. Do you know If he does.
He does not, Your Honor, not at this time.
Well, then we're gonna have to get him one. I mean, you're court appointed, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so obviously he's gonna need a court appointed lawyer on his felony. All right, we're gonna have to just talk to somebody. I don't know who to talk to. Maybe felony.
Your Honor, I would just request at least maybe a week. That way I
That's
can,
fine. We'll give you a week, but it's still the same problem.
yeah, I know, but maybe
A
in the
week or
meantime,
10 years,
I
still-
can check on it and see if anything's, it has been filed, has been assigned, and what court it's in, and kind
Yeah.
of follow up with that. But
Yeah.
I don't know if I'd be able to do that by Wednesday.
Well, if they have filings, if they file it, yeah, you can. All right, we'll give you a week. That's fine.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Well, still the same problem in a week.
Right.
Is the
Judge,
23rd
may
a
he
good
be
day?
excused, Your Honor?
I'm sorry?
May he be excused then?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we're working on the plea on that Garcia case, Judge. I just completed the paperwork.
Is the 23rd, it's a Wednesday. Is that a good day for you?
Make sure it should be, but give me 1 second. Oh, actually, oh. Yeah, we can do it then, the 23rd. Thank you.
Judge. You should have paperwork on Jonathan Garcia.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
All right. This is Jonathan Garcia. Are you there? Are you Jonathan Garcia?
Yes, sir. That's me.
Okay, where's his attorney? Where's Mr. Sheffield? Him.
I'm here, Judge. Sorry about that.
Okay. This is cause number 666-044, the state versus Jonathan Garcia. Are you Jonathan Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you the same Mr. Garcia is charged with evading arrest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Sheffield, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, I have some papers here from your attorney which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
I may or may not have gone over them. Can we go over them again?
Did you read them? You didn't
Oh,
read them?
yeah. Yeah, I did. The papers I just signed?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Did you sign them? You read them and signed them?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a jury trial to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yeah. Can I go in the break room with Sheffield?
Yep. Sure
Okay.
can.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
One moment.
Corinne, can I please confer with Daniel?
Yes.
Thank you.
One moment.
Sorry, we're back.
Your client's not yet.
No, sorry, Judge.
Let me bring him back.
Sorry.
All right, Mr. Garcia? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Coach, I don't.
All right, do you understand by reading and signing these papers, you were telling me you understand what you're charged with and you understand what could happen to you if you plead. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest or fight this case if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
How do you plead to this offense?
No contest.
You understand that no contest plea in misdemeanor court has the same legal effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Sure.
I didn't hear what you said.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm gonna find this plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
$300 fine, $150 of which to be probated. Court costs, 9 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service. We're recommending the PAWS course. That's an acronym, PAWS. It stands for Positive Attitude, Act Responsibly, Wise Choices, and Stay Focused. In addition, there's a no contact order with the St. Anthony Hotel located at 300 East Travis. That's San Antonio 78205. In addition, the state will TIC cause number 676424.
All right, I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna give you $150 fine. Post court costs 9 months of deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, PAWS course, no contact with St. Anthony Hotel on Travis Street, and $25 supervisory fees. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You need to stay on and talk to the probation department about your obligations, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jonathan, I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Am I excused?
No, you have to talk to the prosecutor. I mean, the probation office. So just wait and they'll move you over to a room to talk to him. Okay?
Thank you.
One moment.
Your Honor, I did submit the dismissal for the 676424.
Okay.
Jonathan, if you can join the breakout room, please. Judge Jonathan Ross should be joining us in the next 15 minutes.
Okay. He and Walter are thinking the only ones. So.
Okay, so we don't have a deal on the offer. So I guess we have to set it for trial at this point. Until the DA and I can come up with something that is agreeable.
I need a discovery acknowledgement. We'll set it for trial.
Thank you, Judge.
Need to get it done, please, right now.
March 23rd?
Yes, Karen, that's fine. Actually, I think all my cases are set that day.
23rd.
No, I can't be, I'm not here on the 23rd. I'm in trial college. The 30th, are we only doing Wednesdays?
Only Wednesdays, yes.
Okay, the 30th or the week before that? The 16th, I believe it is.
We can do the 30th.
Thank you. I have like 8 trial cases on the 16th.
All right, get your discovery so you can go, you and your client.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Garcia, I'm gonna call you shortly. You can disconnect.
No, he can't. No, he can't.
We need to sign the discovery acknowledgement, right?
All right, sign that, then he can.
Oh, okay. Daniel, are you sending that over?
I'm working on it now.
Oh, okay, thank you. Judge, the discovery acknowledgement should have been sent to you.
Not yet. And yet. Okay, I got it. I signed it. Y'all look, y'all go.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Mr. Garcia, you can disconnect now. Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too, be careful.
Bye.
Hi, Jonathan. Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry about that. I'm actually AWOL from one of the district courts. But I wanted to check in with you guys because you dropped me a line. We have, I believe, all the discovery on that matter. I've got an offer from the state, and if we could just get a regular reset, my client is trying to get the upfront restitution.
No record reset. Wait, what's the problem? You have an offer, you're gonna take it or not?
Not right now, Your Honor.
All right, and I need a discovery acknowledgement on all the cases, all 4 of them, 5 of them, 4 of them, and then we can set them for trial.
All right, yes, sir.
I'll work on that now.
So hang in there, don't leave.
Yes, sir.
Judge, so we're just waiting on Cerna. I sent him an email. He has not replied. His client has been in the waiting room since we started Zoom. You're muted, Judge.
Oh, call his office and see if he'll show, it's gonna show.
The office is trying to get a hold of him now. I called his law office and his assistant is trying to get a hold of him.
Okay, thanks.
Judge, Attorney Cerna should be joining in.
Okay, great.
Mr. Serna? You're muted.
Okay, I'm on.
Okay, your client is here. Do you need to talk to the state or to your client? You're muted.
Let me talk to the state if I can first. And then I'll talk to the judge after that.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes. That's gonna be with Kathleen.
Okay, I said, that's fine. I sent an email to Escobar, but go ahead. That's fine.
Daniel, can you join your breakout room, please?
Hey, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Well, Walter Sherman, I just conferred with the state judge and they made me a new offer that I'm going to suggest to my client maybe to take. So I want to see if we get a 1 week reset for 2 reasons.
Oh.
Number one, I'm in the hospital right now. My mom's pretty sick.
Okay.
And I'm going to visit with the doctor here in a second about her.
Okay. I'll give you
I
one.
need about a one.
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah. And just give me 1 week and hopefully by then we have all the plea paperwork in and stuff, Judge.
Okay. Hope your mom gets better. Take care.
Thank you.
I'm gonna reset you to the 23rd of February.
That's fine.
Okay.
What
Just send
date
me
is
your-
that?
it's a Wednesday.
It's a Monday. Wednesday's fine. Okay.
Okay, just send me your client's email, please.
I will. And then I've got to talk to my client about the
Okay,
plea as well. Thank you.
you have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Tristan?
Is he
You're
there?
muted. Yes. Do you want me to put you in a breakout room with him or you just want to call him?
Yeah, let me just talk to him right now.
Okay, one moment. Tristan, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney.
Okay, thank you.
Tristan?
Mr. Ross, I have signed one of the acknowledgements. I guess.
Yes, sir. I believe all 4 of those I should have got my signature on, so they should be coming your direction.
Okay, I know, I signed one of them.
Do you know what day you want me to come back?
You need to talk to Ms. Wolves about that.
It's for jury trial, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can set you for March 30th.
March 30th. All right.
Okay, I'll be sending out the notice after docket.
All right. Thank you. And may I be excused, Your Honor?
Have you signed all 4 of them or?
I have signed all 4, Your Honor, as an officer of the court.
Okay, yes.
All right. Thank you.
Actually, Jonathan, do you have a few minutes to confirm?
I don't. I have some district judges that are going to kick me in the butt, but I'll drop you a
Okay.
line.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
So that was it, Judge. Right now, Mr. Serna is talking with his client in the breakout room.
Okay, then I'll be there physically in the morning and at 9 and we'll go from there.
Okay, Judge.
All right.
Sounds good.
Y'all have a good night, everyone.
Judge, it's me, Yvonne. I will be working from Zoom in the morning and then during lunch, I'm gonna travel over there to the courthouse for the in-person.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, Judge? Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Hi, Baltasar.
So is he back on? Do you see him?
Yes.
He's going to give you his email address right now so he can send us all the paperwork. And then
Perfect.
hopefully we're ready for a plea next week.
Perfect. What is your email?
Tristan Mares,
Mike?
Tristan Mares 47@gmail.com.
Okay, I'll be sending out the plea paperwork today.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Can you let Daniel know too that we have a deal that we can send me all the paperwork as well?
Yes, I'll let him know. All right.